In today's video, we will see how to change the servers on VSeeBox, improve streaming speed and fix buffering issues. So to change servers on the VSeeBox to resolve the buffering or improve picture quality, access the server selection menu within the active media application using your remote control. So first, changing servers in VOD apps. So if you are watching a movie or VOD content and experiencing lag or poor quality, here are the step 1. Press the main menu, typically the icon with the three horizontal lines, on your VC remote while your content is playing. Step 2. A list of servers option will appear on the bottom or top of the screen. Next, scroll up to highlight the select server switch line option. Step 4. Choose an alternate server number from the list, the server 311 or server 2, and press OK. The step 5. The stream will briefly buffer and reconnect to the new servers. Changing servers in live TV apps. So for live streaming channels such as Heat Live, server options are directly built into the app's control interface. The step 1. Open your live TV or VC live application. While the channel is playing, press the menu button on the remote and navigate to server line selection or switch line. Next, select a different server from the drop down list and press OK. Goodbye, thanks for watching.